So let us begin with our cultural evening. First of all, our darling Nipa will sing a song for all of us. Now, Nipa will sing a nice song. Nipa, sing a beautiful song for everyone. But if you sing a loud song, then I'll ask Sushmita to give you 0 out of 10.
No, no, Nipa, sing whatever you want. I won't test you again. Hey, listen.
Wow, now the real thing has arrived. Now my heart will be truly happy. Why, Rajiv, aren't you happy after
Please.
listening to the
Dad,
song? You know me very well. My happiness is directly connected to my
that-
stomach. Okay, please have a seat, Shushmita.
Yes?
Please sit.
We have just arrived. Can't we eat a little later?
Yes, Auntie, we will eat later.
Yes, she will eat later.
Hey.
Yes, she just said that she
Oh,
will
who
eat
this?
later.
Appa,
So
just
what should
look at
I
your
do?
son-in-law.
I'm eating now.
You are impossible. Mom!
What?
You are becoming crankier with each passing
Keep
day.
quiet. Please reason with him before you leave. He eats fried food all the time. And my mother is no less. Whatever Rajiv demands, she has to cook it for him. He doesn't listen to me at
He
all.
doesn't, does he?
No.
Very
What now?
bad, very
Wha-
bad. Hey,
What?
hey, why don't you listen to her? Tell me.
Mom, don't pay any attention to me today. Today, all your concentration should be focused on your youngest son who's sitting there. Go, sit next to
Sushmita,
him, eat your
What?
food and
Have
be
a
with him.
seat.
Come, come. Please take your plate. Mm. Brother Ratul, how did you like the song?
Ratul, we want to know your opinion. Yes, tell us your opinion.
Come on.
Hey, Sandy, why are you embarrassing him? Can't you see how much Nipa is blushing?
You have sung very well, my child. I bless you that you always stay happy.
No, no, Grandma. Only your blessings won't do. The important person has to praise her first. And that too with an open heart. But how should it be done? It can't be done only through words. The praises should be done. I mean, he should express himself through a poem. He has to recite a poem. Get up.
I'm eating.
You can eat later. Keep the plate
Hey.
down. Come on, come with me, I
Hey,
say.
hey.
Come on, keep the plate. Why are you such a glutton? Come on, come along. Come. Come on, recite the poem first. Come on. Hurry up now.
Tess?
Hmm?
We have really come at an odd time. We should go now. Let's go.
Mom, since we're already here, what is the point in going away now? Let's stay back.
But Tess, can't you see?
Any problem, Aunt?
No, Sid. There is no problem at all. By the way, Sid, is Nipa going to get engaged to that tall guy?
Nipa has cooked a spicy potato curry. She even sang a song. We can't let you escape. Come on, recite a poem.
God knows why people are so eager to get married. Lives are getting ruined. Yet you see everyone looks so happy.
What nonsense, Sid. How can one's life get ruined by getting married? I believe in marriage, though. I just need the right partner.
Really?
Hmm.
Tess, how can you... Anyway, forget it.
Ah, Ratul, you have to perform something now. Look at
Yes.
my wife. She's also asking you. Come on, look at her. Come on, look
Poetry
at her.
and
You
me,
can't
I
say
don't
no.
know how to
You have
recite
to perform
poems.
something. Come on, say a poem. Come on.
recite a
Hey, come on, recite a poem.
Which
Hey,
one?
that one, the same one, just recite it. He's
the
acting
same one he's
pricey
saying.
now. Come on,
Please
recite
perform.
it.
Okay, fine. I'll try. I'll just try. I may make mistakes. I might forget lines between. Please don't mind.
No one will mind.
Why would anyone mind? And who cares if anyone does? Start at least. How can the cultural evening end just after one song?
Yes, yes. Come on, start.
Come
Yeah,
on,
please
begin.
perform.
Let's start.
Ratul, decide what you will recite.
Hey,
You will see he recites so well.
What are you saying,
Hey.
Nanda?
will you
No.
girls keep quiet? Silence. Ratul, start.
Start.
Okay. We both live in same village. This is our only happiness. The robin magpie birds on their trees. My heart dances to its tune. Her two pet lambs graze under our banyan tree. If they break the fence of my farmland, I'll pick them up and care for them. The name of our village is Khanjana. The name of the river flowing beside is Anjana. Everybody in our village knows my name. The name of that special one is Ranjana. Both the neighborhoods are close by. There's just a field lying in between. The honeybees from their forest make beehives in our forest. The flowers that are immersed at the bank float towards our concrete bank. The flowers from their village are brought to our village for selling. The name of our village is Khanjana. The name of the river flowing beside is Anjana. Everybody in the village knows my name. The name of that special one is Ranjana. The alleys of our village are lined with mango trees. When their land produces flaxseed, our land produces wild grass. When
When the stars are seen from their terrace, cool, gentle southern breeze blows on my terrace. When rain drenches their forest lands, burr flower blooms in our forests.
the name of our village is Khanjana. The name of the river flowing by our village is Anjana.
Everybody in the village knows my name. The name of the special one is Ranjana.
Wow,
Oh, very nice, very good. Nice. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Sri, side please. Nipa, did you understand the word that Ratul said in his poem? Do you know what message he gave to you?
Hey, Sandy.
What is happening? Why do you two always pull each other's legs?
We have taken a break. Break over. Who is our next performer?
Dad, I want to say something. Let's all of us sing a chorus together. What do you say? Because individually, none of us is a singer here. So, okay, let's sing a song of sweets together.
Uncle, please. Don't start that song now. What a lousy song you all sing in chorus.
So why don't you sing something?
Is Sid going to sing? No, I mean, when we used to have a cultural program in a management school, do you know what Sid used to do? Sid used to remain behind closed doors so that he wouldn't have to perform.
Oh, grandfather. I have heard Sid singing on the road.
What?
What?
What did you say? Say that again.
Yes, Aunt. When I was escaping on my bicycle, Munni,
Huh?
then I heard Sid singing on the road. After that, I couldn't control my balance and fell on the road, and the musical instrument dropped from Sid's hand and got damaged.
What? Got what, Mithai?
Damage?
Oh, damaged.
Grandpa, why do you allow this girl to talk so much?
Wait a while, wait a while. You sing alone on the streets. I wasn't aware of this. Thankfully, Mithai was escaping through that route.
Why were you escaping? Did you steal or rob? Or else, no one escapes like this.
Absolutely, Mom. She must have done something and that is why she was escaping. Mom, don't you remember how she fell on Sid's car on the day of the competition?
I don't steal or rob, miss. Mithai works hard, makes sweets, and sell it. But you know what? People who commute in cars don't understand the problems of people like me, who commute on bicycles. People think that we are useless. So we have only two ways to deal it. Either you turn around and fight back, or just state your point and run from there. But Mithai's behavior is very sweet, so Mithai just states her point and runs away. I did the same on that day. Why should I steal or rob for no reason? Otherwise, I would have robbed this house long back and fled away by now.
Grandpa, I'm taking Aunt and Tess to the study. Grandma, you please send their food to the study. Aunt, I hope you don't mind. That girl talks way too much.
I can see that, Sid. All of you, please continue. We are going to the study. And by the way, we loved the song and the poem. We loved both. Come, Tess.
Tess, come.
Good that you answered them appropriately. Who are they to call you a thief or a robber?
I wouldn't have said anything, but my father always used to say, whatever you do, do it with your head held high.
What I was saying is, let me take you all to my garden first. After coming back from my garden, we will eat lot of sweets.
Listen to them, Aunt. Everybody wants to eat sweets. I made sweets in the morning only. Where did I keep it? Oh, I kept in the fridge. Everyone will eat sweets today. No one will be left out. My mother says that sweets should be fed on auspicious occasions.
Mother. Oh my.
Auntie Parvati? Oh, Auntie Parvati. What happened to you? Pain started again? Wait here. I'll call Sister Mithai. Why are you stopping me, Auntie?
No, Gulti. You don't need to call her. There are so many people in the house. If you talk about my illness now, everyone will be worried.
Let them get worried. I'll definitely tell Sister Mithai about this. You see, I will tell Sister Mithai to call the
Oh,
doctor
my.
soon.
Listen to me, Gulti. Come here. You are a good boy. Don't be crazy, my child. Over there, there is a white box there. Can you see that? Bring that to me. It has the medicine prescribed by the doctor.
Auntie Parvati! Where is the medicine?
It must be there.
I will marry off my son to your daughter. Take this. I'm blessing your daughter with this necklace.
It is about time that I return this.
Whatever I wished for will never come true. After coming here, I saw that we don't match with Aarti's family's status in any way.
Oh, Auntie Parvati! Where is the medicine? I can't find it. And what are you blabbering?
It must be there only. Search properly.
Is this the one? You take this, I will bring the water immediately.
Sid, I'm warning you once again about that girl called Mithai. Your grandpa is extremely innocent. He has old values. He trusts people very easily. But you know it very well, Sid. Times have completely changed.
Aunt, should I ask someone to bring coffee for you? You don't drink tea, do you?
Sid,
Hmm.
please take mom's words seriously, okay? By the way, why didn't you tell me today that Mithai has landed up at your place along with her family? Look, Sid, if you really want, mom can talk to uncle. I mean, she can talk to your father. Because it's risky to keep them in this house. Besides, girls like them don't tell the truth. Sid, why don't you understand?
Tess, we've had many rounds of discussion regarding this. Mithai and her mom might not be lying. I've seen it myself. A good-for-nothing guy was tormenting her on the road. In fact, I slapped the guy myself and pushed him away from there.
What? Sid, are you serious? Did you take the risk of slapping a loafer for that girl's sake? What is all this, Sid?
What else? Am I supposed to look from a distance? Is this your impression of me?
Not that, Sid. You're not able to understand me.
Does your grandpa always offer shelter to people in trouble, Sid?
No, Aunt. Mithai's mom and my mom were very old friends. They used to be our neighbors in Chennai.
I see. They have a concrete plan in place. Sid, I suggest that you inform the local police station in advance.
Auntie? My grandpa and grandma have known Mithai's mother for years. So, no one has any suspicion regarding them. I have brought hot kachoris. Won't you eat? Please eat some. They're very delicious. Mithai made them.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We don't need two plates. We can both eat from the same plate. Thank you. You are Shri. Sid's biological sister, right? And Sandy and Nipa are your cousins. Tess was telling me on the day of the competition.
Yes, Auntie. We have some amazing sweets at home. Shall I bring some for you?
I don't mind.
I didn't bring it because Sid doesn't eat sweets, so I wasn't sure if you guys would eat it or not.
Do you think we are as weird as your brother? No one can refuse Indian sweets made of date in this winter. Please bring some for us.
Sure.
Listen, Sid, won't you eat anything?
No, Aunt. I'll have dinner later.
I know, Sid, that you are health conscious. That's why I have brought a special patty for you. Shri, can you please bring a patty for your brother Sid? He will eat it. Your sister is too sweet. Tess was saying that she's very good at academics.
Aunt, Shri is exceptional in his studies. He's too good.
He will eat patty now. But he can't ever change his routine for us, not even once. As soon as Tosha's mom asked him, he instantly agreed to eat a patty, that too at this hour. Utter nonsense.
What are you saying, Sister Shri?
You won't understand, Mithai. I'm talking about Sid.
I see. So you are talking about Mr. Bittergaard. So sister, tell me something. Won't Mr. Bittergaard have sweets on a day like this? Today is such an important day. Nipa's marriage got finalized. Is Mr. Bittergaard going to remain with the bitter taste?
Oh my. What are you girls talking about? Even I have a bitter taste in my mouth after hearing Dad's lecture on flowers. After all, he has found a listener in Rajiv's dad. They are talking about the types of fertilizers and they don't seem to stop. Oh my. My head is spinning hearing non-stop lectures about fertilizers. Hey, is this a new sweet? Oh, wow, this is what I wanted. Hey, Sri, what are those things?
Patty. I mean, this is called quiche.
What?
Quiche. It's a French patty.
I see.
Torsha's mom has brought this especially for Sid. And Siddharth has agreed to eat it at this hour. Can you imagine, Sandy?
What are you saying? This is a breaking news. Next time we'll get to hear Mr. Bittergaard eating sweets too.
Oh my. I will go crazy now. Uncle Amresh is giving a lecture on fertilizers for so long and he doesn't seem to Are those sweets? Oh, wow. This is great. Who made this? You?
Yes, me. Is it good?
It's mind-blowing. Mind-blowing.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. If he tastes your sweets, what have you named him? Mr. Bittergourd. Anyway, we can't call Sid by this name in front of everyone. No one would dare to do that. But after eating these sweets, Mr. Bittergourd will turn into a sweet boy.
Brother Rajiv? Did you think before saying that?
Huh?
Will Sid eat sweets?
Sister Shri, do you want to make Sid eat sweets? I can suggest a way.
What?
You all will thank me once you hear it.
Oh, that means some mischievous plan must have popped up in Mithai's head. Tell your plan. Tell.
Should I?
Yes.
Sweet.
Oh, no, Mithai. You don't need to do all that. Sid will become very angry. And I'll be the one who will face his wrath. No need to execute
But
this plan.
Rajiv, Mithai's idea is really fantastic. No one can object to that, Mithai.
Yes, this girl is intelligent. You know what? During my childhood, my mom also used to make a fool of me and feed me boiled pawpaw.
Poor thing.
Anyway,
Yes.
let's not talk about that. Go. Get to work. Come on.
Should I?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.